We are at beautiful Edison Job Corps in Edison, New Jersey. We are working with a cohort of students, training them on the basics of how to install a commercial solar project.
Today we did a training on a mock roof with solar panels, how to install, and the basics of Momentum Solar, our culture, and a little bit of history as well. Well, I think it showed these individuals the opportunity that exists in solar and the potential growth that they can have if they either come with Momentum or work in solar itself.
When students come to Job Corps, they want to be employable. That's the whole goal of Job Corps, for students to be independent, hardworking citizens that are contributing to society.
I like the trade because you can venture off into anything. Basically anything you put your mind to, and you can exceed.
The green energy industry is vast. There's a lot of growing opportunities within this field. Partnering with GAF and the Edison Job Corps Momentum, it's been such a huge success. As 3 different entities, we can provide the students with a lot of different opportunities.
Partnering with national corporations like GAF and Momentum Solar, places that have national footprints, is really important to us because the more students that we can reach, the more we can actually employ.
The students at Job Corps seem to be the ideal candidates because they're already in the trades. We placed over 1,000 students so far in the past couple of years.
We just want to make sure that, they understand, listen, we're going to help connect you to even better partnerships through Solar Landscape, Momentum, and GAF Roofing.
Community Solar has a mission to involve and include communities that may not have all these opportunities.
It enables folks that are maybe coming from underserved communities or who have never been exposed to any kind of solar to now have the ability to actually start working in the field.
We wanted the chance for the students to have this exposure, to meet with different partners who are hiring, and we just wanted to give them that foot in the door, that beginning, that confidence to leave a training like this and begin their career. To be here for this group of students who is about to enter the workforce is so important and so special.
It's giving back. It's not just about getting a job, it's about giving back to the community. I was actually a student of Roofing Academy. I started looking into education opportunities, and now I'm working with GAF, teaching the same classes that I was able to take. This goes to show that there are tons of opportunities for students out there.
We recognize that green economy and green jobs are just expanding like crazy. A student who's left with a week or 2 weeks training has pretty unlimited access to jobs right now.
They're happy, they're elated, they're early to class, and we're just so appreciative of this opportunity.
I would love to come back and keep on teaching. This is great. This is a great opportunity for guys that are starting the same way that I did.
I could definitely see myself doing this for the rest of my life, yes.